Okay, students, today we are going to see the next point, that is construction of tangent to a circle at any point on the circle. Now here we are going to see 3 points. So in the first point we are going to see to construct the tangent to a circle using the center of the circle. Now using the center of the circle, how that we are going to see. So first example, construct a tangent to a circle with center O and radius 3.5 centimeter at any point P on it. Now first of all you should know what is meant by a tangent. A tangent is a line just passing through the a single point of a circle. Such line is called as an tangent. Now once again we will see this example. So what is given? We have to construct a circle, and for that circle we have to construct a tangent. So here radius is given 3.5 centimeter and we have to take any point P on it. So one by one we are going to draw. First we will draw a circle with radius 3.5 centimeter. So this is, I have taken exactly 3.5 centimeter measure. Now I will draw a circle. So this is a circle of radius 3.5 centimeter and they have told to take center as an O. Now they have told to take any point P on a circle. So let me take a point. So we will take any point P on the circle. So this is point P. Now by using the center of the circle means from the center we have to draw one ray which is passing through the point P. So we have drawn this ray. Now how to draw the tangent? Keep your round point P, take a proper distance and draw two arcs on the either side of the point P. So we have drawn here two arcs on the either side of the point P. Now keep your arc on the first, keep your rounder on the first arc and take more than half. Actually this is half and we are going to take more than half. Okay, draw one arc upside. Now keep your round on second arc and cut the arc. Okay, so now we will join the point of intersection of those arc and this point P. So here this line is called, if I name this line as an L, then line L is called tangent to the circle and passing through point P. We will mention your radius also. The radius is 3.5 centimeter. Okay, so this is how using the center of the circle we drawn a tangent to the circle. Now the next point we are going to see without using the center of the circle. Now one more example I have taken here. Draw a circle of radius 3.4 centimeter. Draw tangent to the circle at any point on it without using the center of the circle. Now here first we will draw the circle with radius 3.4 centimeter. So let me draw a circle with radius 3.4 centimeter. So this is a circle with radius 3.5 centimeter. Now they have not mentioned here the name of center, so we'll denote it by O. Okay, now we are going to draw tangent to the circle at any point. Any point means now we will take any point here. Let me denote this point as an P. Now without using the center of the circle means what? We are going to draw the tangent through point P without using the center of the circle. So we have taken one point P on the circle. Now let me take two more points such that after joining these points we will get a triangle. So here we are not touching to the circle. Now I want to draw the tangent through point P. So first what I'll do, I'll keep my rounder here on this point and I'll take a proper distance and I will draw one arc. I will draw one arc. Okay. Then by keeping same distance, I'll keep my round on point P and I will draw one more arc. Okay. Now while drawing, take care this arc should intersect this side of the triangle. Now again measure this distance. The distance between these two points. So we will keep here on this point our rounder and we will cut one small arc on the drawn arc. Okay, so just see what I did. I took this distance and by keeping same distance I drawn one small arc. Now we are going to join the point of intersection of these arcs and point P. If I name this line as an L, then line L is called as an tangent to the circle without using the center of the circle. So here we have not used the center. Okay, now homework is example number 1 to 3.